Around the world, a new breed of manufacturers on the incline. They're at work in microfactories and megafactories, building on tried and true expertise and rebuilding capabilities to earn more and waste less. They're advancing the front lines of creativity and productivity and revitalizing the bottom lines of communities and economies. They're the unsung heroes of invention and innovation, and the right technology is helping them succeed. In plants, warehouses, and the field, new solutions are making smaller workforces massively productive. Manufacturers are coordinating operations across intelligent networks and hardened devices, unifying what was splintered, securing what was vulnerable, and streamlining what was wasteful. Operators are fueling control and automation systems with powerful data, keeping equipment up, waste down, and quality assured. Open platform software is replacing pen and paper, helping track inventory, trace quality, and grow accounts. And new enterprise services are freeing the resources needed to plan, install, and evolve business-critical technology. When people can plan and act more intelligently, there's no obstacle they can't overcome. That's why we're partnering with manufacturers to connect workforces, equipment, supply chains, and customers in real time so intelligence can flow where it's needed most. To create more intelligent production, to achieve more flawless fulfillment, to deliver more dynamic service, to help manufacturers keep doing what will always set them apart, building efficiency, growing economies.